guys, I welcome you to this channel. So in today's video I want to review this top secret which you can actually use to make a lot of money in the crypto market. Okay, this particular kind of trade, you can actually start it with as low as $10 and you will be making a very profitable and huge profit on daily basis. You can be making a minimum of $20, $30 in a day, because you are not just trading only once. You can do 2 or 3 times in a day. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is my VIP group, and as you can see over here, a lot of people we are making profit. You can see people are giving testimony on how they are actually making profit. A lot of people are giving testimonies in this particular VIP. So before I start posting or recording a video, I have already sent a message here so that my inner group can start making money already. Immediately before I post this particular video, or I start recording the video, my VIP members have actually already started making money from the trade first, okay, before any other person. So you can join my VIP group. It costs only bet 30 USDT for you to do what? For you to join my VIP group. Okay, so you can see that we just barely entered the market here, and one of the things which I saw before I entered the market here was that if you take a look at this particular place, you will find out that this particular coin break all these lines which you are seeing here, all these 4 lines, and after this 4 line, it went extremely up to this particular place, okay, which is overbought. Okay, so immediately this particular coin went extremely overbought. The next thing for me to do is to check exactly that. As you are seeing this particular uptrend, you can see that the coin have started reversing to upside, but there is no other way it will break this particular line. Okay, it can never break this particular line. Okay, so meaning that this particular coin, we are really gonna be making a very big profit from this particular trade. Okay, so it's gonna be going this particular way from here. From this place, is gonna be doing what? Going down. Okay, and from the settings and from the view, from the chart, what I'm seeing here, we're really gonna make a good profit from this particular coin. Okay, so one of the things I see before I enter the market is when this particular line, yellow line and the upper line have actually cross together. Okay, once this particular coin immediately break to this upside, which you are seeing here, immediately break here and come over to this place, I need to wait for this particular line, this one you are seeing here, to do what? To break here. So you can see it actually break this particular place, which is a very good entry point for me. Okay, which I have already entered. Okay, so the next thing is for me to relax and wait for my profit. Okay, because the way it's reversing up here, that is the same way. Once it turns back, it's gonna come with a very big speed down to this particular area. Okay, so once it comes down to this particular area, we would have doubled our money and we get out from the market. Okay, so and our target is 50% or 30% of our capital. So I'm gonna pause the video here, then and wait in some minutes and let's see the result of this particular trade. Okay, so I'm gonna be giving you update on what actually happen. So you can join my VIP group, which costs 30 USDT for you to be getting update and for you to be making money with this update on daily basis, because I'm dropping this particular signal on daily basis. So you can see how the speed that this particular trade is using to go down as I predicted it, because I knew actually that once it reverse and come to this particular place, once there is an uptrend, maybe immediately a line crosses here, okay, and come to this place. Once I see a red and green that are on the same level here, okay, you can see they are on the same level with a long stick like this here, this empty body here, then it's a go entry for me. Okay, it's a very good entry point for me. So the next thing for me to do is to be patient and wait for the outcome. So guys, you can see after some a couple of time, you can see where we are right now. I told you that this particular coin will actually go deep, and here we are. Okay, so guys, I'm not actually gonna be closing this particular trade here because I have a target. And what is my target? My target is to make a minimum of 5 USD. You can see that. Whoa, I told you guys that this particular coin is gonna have a very big dip. Okay, so from here, once I see 4 I've seen 4 USD, but before I could close it, it was actually trying to go up. So so I'm gonna close it here. This is 4 USD. Boom, you can see that. So guys, I've actually closed this particular trade. I told you guys this is a very well calculated trade, and this is what I'm good at it. So you can join us and start making a whole lot of money. There is a whole lot of profit to make from this particular trade. So I have already posted this particular thing in my, so as you can see in the VIP, I just told everyone to close their trade, so we made a good profit. Okay, you can see when we all started the when we all started the trade here. Okay, so I've actually made good profit from the, if you are even starting with above let's say 50 USD, 100, you can be making $20 in one trade. Okay, and in a day you can make up to 100 USDT. Okay, so join us.